Really, I think it's really because my mum and dad, it was their first car, and you know, you sort of get used to them, don't you? I think their last one I inherited when I was 17, and since I was born, I think there's only 4 years out of that 70 years that we've never had one of these in the family. It's quite, yeah. As I say, I've got 3 now. They're reliable and comfortable. No, to be honest, you can get more parts now than you could 40 years ago. Well, they dried up in scrapyards, and then there was that lull until people started remanufacturing stuff, you know. But, and then, of course, over the years, you collect a load of stuff, don't you? You know, piles of it, yeah. Yeah, we've had that Morris there, that black one. We've had that for 20 years. I think it was 23 years it stood in a barn. It was a proper barn find. It was up near Barnet Castle. It stood inside. It was inside a drafty barn, so it had never really rusted. A proper barn find, yeah.
It's a Triumph Roadster, 1948, and had it for about 12 years now. Bought it from a man in Bishop Auckland who'd restored it, and he did all the work on it, apart from the engine, which a friend of his did. But the interior and the seat leather and the carpets, he did all himself. Wow. And he made a fabulous job. His main hobby was restoring pre-war wooden caravans.
People associate this car with Bergerac, though, don't they?
That's right, yeah. He used to race around Jersey in the TV series, yeah. Yes. And the new series, and the car is a cameo role. He's allegedly restoring it at home, so every now and again you see a nose poking out of his garage. When I bought the car, it had a naked lady mascot on it, and I didn't like it much. And it had a spare cap, so I put the cap on and sold the naked lady for £180.
Excellent.
Yeah. Oh, the dicky seat, yeah. It is, yeah. It's called a dicky seat, and it's allegedly the last production car with a dicky seat, and it's a throwback to coaching days. And if you remember, on the old horse-drawn coaches, there was a little seat on the back, and a gopher sat on there, and he rushed down and opened the doors and all that, and he was called a dicky. And so the seat was on the back, facing forward, and they were called dicky seats. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realise. Yep, end of a perfect day.
It is.